Hi, how are you? So in today's video we're going to be making jewelry, earrings to be specific. So by the end of this video, these earrings should pop out of your screen and onto your ears. If you are not pierced, your ears will be pierced by the end of this video. So enjoy. There was a question mark at the end of that enjoy because I don't want to force it on you. So these earrings are heavily like anvil heavily inspired by Gypsy Sport. So what you see me doing here is putting beads on a bunch of safety pins. So I also added a bunch of jump rings to some random components that I had from previous projects. So I then proceeded to connect all the components together to form these different strings, I guess. I just connected safety pin to safety pin to other components until we had multiple strings. I think it was 4 per earring. After doing this, I took an earring hook and a large jump ring, and using smaller jump rings, I connected these strings of safety pins and other things onto the earring hook. That you'll find on this next set of earrings I took off of an old belt. I also used a metal coil. It comes as a really long coil that almost looks like a slinky, and then I just cut a section of it off with my metal cutters. I added an earring hook to it because that was the best way to stop the beads from coming off the coil. And after that, I just strung on beads and I looped the end so they don't come out. You'll see how I do that. last set is probably the easiest of all of them. So I have these 2 pairs of silver hoops that I don't wear as often as I used to. So to spice them up, to spruce them up, to give them a new life, I just added a bunch of beads to them. So that concludes this week's video. 3 new pairs of ear decorations and a whole lot of fun to be had with styling. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, check out my other social media platforms and all that good stuff that helps support creators on this platform. Until next time.